hands lifted. May the earth never agree to your going down. The earth will not agree to your demotion. The earth will not agree to your shame. The earth will not agree to your bitterness. The earth will not agree to your oppression. I say the earth will not agree. 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 Let your image on now. Let your image on now. Lift up your voice and roar. Roar. In the next 1 hour, show them that I belong to you. Let your image shout it again and roar. In the next 1 hour, show them that I belong to you. Shout fire, shout fire. Call your name and say, Jerry, you are removing fire. Say, Jerry, you are removing fire. Say, your zeal will not go down. Say, Jerry, you will not be comfortable in negativity. Say, Jerry, you will not be tied down to your yesterday. Say, Jerry, the Lord has broken addiction. Say, Jerry, you are a shining and a burning light. Say, Jerry, you have been chosen by God to manifest the fullness of His purpose. Say, Jerry, there's a crown on your head, speed on your feet. Say, Jerry, you are not normal. Say, Jerry, the Lord lights a new fire in your spirit. The Lord quickens your inner man. Say, Jerry, you are the one your generation has been waiting for. Say, Jerry, you are not going down. You're not stepping down. Say, Jerry, you were born for such a time as this. Say, Jerry, the Lord has opened the door. Jerry, the Lord has equipped you. Let your embarrass. Let your embarrass. Let your embarrass. Somebody take you one that decision will end in your favor.